Get hired today as a freelancer on Upwork or Fiverr, but which one is the best for beginners? Well, let's find out. If you are a beginner, I recommend you go for Fiverr because as I speak right now Upwork has more than 18 million freelancers, 5 million clients, and definitely you are not going to stand out this tight competition unless your skills are on high demand or you have past experience. However, these two platforms are good for freelancing, and if you want to do small to medium-sized projects, you can go for Fiverr, and you want to do large projects, then it's good for you to join Upwork. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button for me, and don't forget to subscribe for more. Stay blessed everybody.